In this video, I will show you how to connect the server on OpenVPN. So in order to do this, first things first is to head over and then just download the OpenVPN app. Click on open right here and then it should be able to open the application. So make sure to click on the disagree and enter in here the URL for that particular server, or you can upload in here a file. So if you don't have a file yet, what you can do is you can head back right here to your Play Store and search in here for OpenVPN server. So this is actually the easiest way for that. So what you can do is you can head over and then look in here for the servers for the Android. For example, we have in here this VPN proxy. You can install that and then just wait for this to be installed. Once it's done installing, you should be able to reflect all of the open VPN servers that you can connect into. So click on open and then from in there you should be able to see all of this. So for this one, just choose one that you want to use. I'll choose one from United States and then head over and then click onto this particular server. Do take note that you may encounter some ads for that, but once you're done with the ads, you should be able to connect successfully.